Very good morning to class 8th. Here is Kaushalya Rajpurohit, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss chapter 12, the present tense. In our last video, we have already discussed about present perfect tense. Today, we are going to discuss present perfect continuous tense. The helping verbs be and have along with the present participles of the verb are used in this tense form. This tense is used to indicate the continuity of an action that began in the past and is still going on. For example, we have been studying in this school for 5 years, or we have been working on the project since March, right? So here present perfect continuous tense indicates an action which has been continuing, which has started in the past and which has been continuing till now. It is also used to express an action that has finished just a short while ago. For example, my brother has been playing cricket all day. Present perfect continuous tense structure. Subject plus has have plus been. Verb first form ing plus other words plus since for plus time phrase, right? So if you are using a time phrase in a present perfect continuous tense, then you will be using since and for before it. Since will be indicating the point of action or the point when the action started, and for will be used to indicate the period of action, right? Now the formula for affirmative sentences in present perfect continuous tense. I plus has have been plus verb fourth form other words since for and the time phrase. I, as we all know that we use have with I and plural nouns and has with singular nouns, so that will be used here. So I have been playing cricket for 3 months, or we have been playing cricket for an hour. You have been playing cricket since morning. He has been playing cricket since childhood. She has been playing cricket for a long time. They have been playing cricket since morning. So here I have used for to indicate the period, that is the period of 3 months or the period of an hour or for a long time. And since is used to indicate the point or the start point or the when it started, when the action started for an hour before, or you can say since morning, since childhood, or since 10 a.m. Some examples: farmers have been tilling the field since morning. You have been reading a book since 2 p.m. The girl has been singing songs since childhood. Grocer have been selling sugar at high price for a long time. Right? So sentences. The sentence structure for present perfect continuous tense for negative sentences is subject plus has have plus not been verb fourth form other words since for time phrase. So the sentences will be: I have not been playing cricket for 3 months. We have not been playing cricket for an hour. You have not been playing cricket since morning. She or he has been not playing cricket since childhood or for a long time. They have not been playing cricket since 10 a.m. And the sentences will be, when we turn them into negative sentences: farmers have not been tilling the field since morning. You have not been reading a book since 2 p.m. The girl has not been singing songs since childhood. Grocers have not been selling sugar at high price for a long time. Interrogative sentences. Now the sentence structure for yes no type question: has have plus subject plus been plus verb fourth form other words since for and time phrase. Have I been playing cricket for 3 months? Have we been playing cricket for an hour? Have you been playing cricket since morning? Has he been playing cricket since childhood? Has she been playing cricket for a long time? Or has they been playing cricket since 10 a.m., right? So this is how the structure for interrogative sentences works. So the sentences can be turned as: have farmers been tilling the field since morning? Have you been reading a book since 2 p.m.? Has the girl been singing songs since childhood, or have grocers been selling sugar at high price for long time, right? So you have to follow the structure and you have to arrange has, have, subject and verb according to the sentence structure. Now interrogative sentences for WH type. So we will be having a WH word plus has, have plus subject, been, verb fourth forms and other word. What have I been playing since today, or where have we been playing cricket? When have you been playing cricket? How has he been playing cricket? Why has she been playing cricket, right? So you can be using any time phrase or anything here in the other words. Let us take some examples. What have the farmers tiling since morning, right? So now I have taken the same sentence, right, and I have turned it into interrogative sentence WH. So what have farmers been tiling since morning? What have you been reading since 2 p.m.? What has girl been singing since childhood? What have grocers been selling at high price for a long time? So we have the WH word, then has, have, then we have our subject, been, verb fourth form, and then the other part of the sentence. Now the last one is interrogative negative sentence. So the sentence structure for present perfect continuous tense interrogative negative sentences is has, have plus subject, not been, verb fourth form, other words, since, for, or plus time phrase, right? So you have to use have, has first, then we will be using subject, then not been, then the verbs fourth form, then other words, and since, for plus time phrase. And since, for, time phrase will be used according to the rule. Since will be indicating the start point of the when the action started, and for will be indicating the period of time. So have I not been playing cricket for 3 months? Have we not not been playing cricket for an hour? Have you not been playing cricket since morning? So like this you can make all the sentences. Has he not been playing cricket since childhood? Has she not been playing cricket for a long time? Have they not been playing cricket since 10 a.m.? Okay, so I have done the sentences for you. Have farmers not been tiling the field since morning? Have you not been reading a book since 2 p.m.? Has girl not been singing songs since childhood? Have grocer not been selling sugar at high price for a long time, right? So this is how you can make sentences for present continuous tense, for affirmative sentences, negative, interrogative sentence and negative interrogative sentence, right? So you just have to stick to the structure, sentence structure, and it will be really easy for you to write any sentence in present perfect continuous tense, and that too in any form, in any type, that is affirmative, negative or interrogative negative. I hope you have understood the topic.